Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're going to look into Lighthouse scores again in the reports, and we are going to look into how to fix the accessibility score of image element does not have alt attributes. This is a quite easy fix. We can click on the failing element and see, okay, these are image elements, image tags, and then we can scroll them into view, and here we can see, okay, it's the Bitcoin, MasterCard, PayPal, and support icon which are causing problems. And here we just have to add the alt attribute. And so first thing to do, go find the part in your code where you wrote that down. So once you found it, you go to the image element and you just type in alt equals whatever you see, Bitcoin. If it's a call to action, add the call to action. This is MasterCard. This is PayPal. And this is support. The reason why this is important, because visually impaired users cannot see the picture and it will show it. Maybe if they have a screen reader, it will tell them what the screen reader finds using the alt attribute, and also if somehow your image would disappear, the browser can use the alt attribute, the value of the alt attribute, as a fallback. So let's check out whether we were able to fix this notice. And yes, we actually did. 100 score on accessibility for this page. Thank you for watching, and consider giving this a like if this helped you out, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos like this one. Hey.